So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Let's Move Spinning Rapido, number 3, the third of the Spinning Rapido series, which means that we put as many tracks in half an hour as we can and get you as hyped up, worked up, and tired as possible in this half an hour. Today, we got an obvious theme, which is love, because this morning, it is really early in the morning. It's Valentine's Day today, and I hope to get this uploaded on Valentine's Day as well so that you can still feel the love together, not only with the people you love, but with me as well, because I'm pretty sure after this track, after this class, you won't love me that much anymore. So, have a great time. It's time to get things started. Let's start out with just a couple of pieces of pace, just to get you warmed up, just to get that warm up into your legs, into your heart, into your entire body. Yes? So we're going to start out really easy. Oh, not really easy. We only have half an hour on the clock. So let's start at least with enough resistance to actually really feel it. So drop down the shoulders, lengthen the spine, and just make it a little bit faster than you're doing right now. A little faster. Come on. I wanna be your drop down the shoulders. That's right. Lengthen the spine, and your first sprint is here. Go. Yes. Just a little faster. Keep on going. Keep on pushing. Keep on pulling. Yes. Only 10 more seconds to go. You can do this easily. Pretty sure. So only 4 to go. 3, 2, it's enough for now. Take your hands back and relax. Take your hands back and relax. All right, second round exactly the same, but just a little bit longer. If you want to, you can do it a little bit longer. Wait, I'm just gonna put this up a little bit because I slept so well tonight. Then you know that you're becoming longer. Do you know that? Me neither, but I feel it. Way better. Good. Round number 2, as I said, same thing, just a little bit longer. And if you want to, if you dare, just a little bit stronger as well. So you can increase the resistance if you want to. Again, we only have half an hour. Only have half an hour. So make sure you get everything out of your system, out of your body that you can. Yes? Round number 2. A little bit more resistance than round number 1. Drop the shoulders. Put your hands nice and wide. Drop the shoulders. And here we go. So push and pull and keep on going. Yes. Go, go, go a little faster. Ah, 20 more seconds to go. You can do this. Oh yes, forever loving. Oh, 10 more seconds. Alright, so we're gonna go for our very first climb of today. So hands back and take your resistance up. Take that resistance higher, higher. A lot higher. Higher. Take it further and further. Only 4 to go for your very first climb up today. By far not your last one. Take it further, hands are out. Open up your chest, stand up. And I know, it's probably easy. So take that resistance up. Oh yes. Yes. And it almost fitted on the camera. It almost says, I, Lars, you. Yeah, but it just didn't fit. I'm too big to fit in between. I'm sorry. Keep on going. I hate it so says, I, Lars, you. Perfect. Just a little bit more resistance. You can do this easily. Hey, after this climb, we're gonna go straight into sprints again and then a climb after that again. Don't worry, I always make sure that we start out relatively easy. And if you feel that just half an hour of only lovely checks is enough, I'll leave the link below of the full version of this one. With some other songs and some extra songs, because, yeah, just more fits in 1 hour. Good. So, sit yourself down, take the resistance down, and sprint. Well, sprints, not sprints. Let's take that speed up a little bit to get ready for the next sprint. Okay, just a little faster, a little bit more resistance. Hands are out, and sprint now. Go! A little faster than you did before, so push and pull. Yes. Faster, stronger, deeper, go! Yes. Perfect. You've got 10 more seconds to go, so keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Go. Oh, yes. Woo. Okay, enough for now. Hands back and relax. Good. Right away after this one, we're gonna go for a climb again. So first, take the resistance up and keep on building, because you already should feel like you're pretty much climbing up a little hill again. Yes, some more. 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep going. And if you still need more love today, you can always check out my other channel, Live with Lars, because today I'm uploading as well. Let's Move Strength Rapido number 4, I think it is, yeah. Which has the love theme as well. But those songs are even more cheesy, like 100 times more cheesy. Check it out. I'll leave the link down below as well. Not for the release, but for the channel. Yes, Lift with Lars it's called. Okay, so enough resistance to stand up. Hands are out, stand up, go. Perfect. If you want to go a little further, take your resistance a little more up. Yes. One more time, because we have like 20 more seconds to go, so take more resistance into your legs. Yeah, someone you love. You know what? You can keep on standing until we actually go for the sprint. So just keep on standing up. So we're gonna go straight into the sprint after this one. It's gonna take a while before we're there. He's the one I'm dreaming of. Again, we're only doing half an hour, so let's just pull out more than we do with normally. Yeah, so push and pull and keep on going. Oh yes. Take your body forward a little bit more, a little faster, a little faster. How will I know? Yep, a little faster. Oh yeah, the hill's gotta get less and less steep, and we're gonna go sprint right after. So, take your glutes out, take your resistance down, hands are out, speed it up, and go! How will I know if he really loves me? I say that. Woo! Faster, stronger, deeper. All the love ever with me. I'm asking you, you know about these things. How will I know if he's thinking of me? So push and pull, cause I know that you can now. Hey, it's a really short sprint, so you're always there. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax now. Oh, baby. Hey, a short break, and then we're gonna have a somewhat longer sprint. But again, it's relatively short. Actually, quite short. It is short, it's just short. Yeah? Tell me, how will I know? Trust your feelings. So, round number 2, exactly the same, but just a little longer. Don't hold back though. Increase the resistance if you can. Drop the shoulders, your hands nice and wide. Ready, set, speed it up, go. And faster if you can and dare. So keep on going, I know that you can. Woo. Faster, stronger, deeper, go. Alright, only 10 more seconds to go. Faster, stronger, deeper, go. Alright, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. More resistance, more resistance, more resistance, more resistance. In the beat. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice and strong climbs, but you want to stand up with a lot of resistance. So take that resistance higher, take it way, way higher. Turn that button to the right, hands out, and hit it. Go! I love it. Woo! Perfect. Let's keep on going. Hey, every break in this track is going to be very short. Just for you to know. What? I'm serious. I'm serious. You know what? I love it, and I hope you do too. Hey, sit yourself down. Take your resistance down a little bit. Not too far, not too far. Because as I told you, the breaks are super short. Finally. I know. So take that resistance up a little more. So turn it to the right, to the right, to the right. Stand up. Go. Oh yeah. Keep on going. Yes. Hey. More resistance. Go. Get that heart rate up. That's what you came in for. Or actually 4 more seconds. 3, 2. Another short break. Sit down and relax. One more round to go before we're gonna hit 2 sprints. And then we're gonna have the interval training already. We're gonna get a break between the sprints and the interval training. You're gonna be fine. But first, way more resistance. Hands out. Hit it. Go. Woo. I love it. Keep on going. Okay, sit down, take that resistance back. We're gonna have a really short sprint. A really short sprint, so make sure it's super fast or super heavy. It's only 10 seconds, so drop those shoulders. Take those hands out, sprint it, go, go. Oh yes. When Lars takes over. Okay, take the speed down a bit. A really short break, again 10 seconds, and then we're gonna have a longer sprint. Do you feel it too? I'm pretty sure you do. Alright, so if you want to, take the resistance up a little bit further, so you don't have to go as fast to feel the same. Okay, drop the shoulders, hands are out. Ready, set, go! Keep on pushing, keep on pulling, keep going. Yeah, yeah. Woo. Oh yes, keep going. and pull and push and pull all the way. You feel the music getting faster, and you should be getting faster as well. Just a little bit more. 10 more seconds to go. More. Speed it up all the way till the end. Go, go, go. Stop.
Step off the track. I'm walking down your street again, and past your door, but you don't live there anymore. It's years since you've been there. Now you disappear somewhere in outer space. Found
Hey, more resistance.
and I miss you.
Hey, the first round is just 3 times standing and sitting and a small sprint. The last round is going to be 4 times standing, sitting, and a longer sprint. Yes, more resistance and a beat. So you feel the beat. Try to have as much resistance as you can without losing speed. Yes? So take it higher, higher, hands up, stand up, go. Oh yeah! Woo! Sit down. Let's take it a little further. Stand up, go. And as you notice right now, when you're standing up, so sit down now, it's too easy, yeah? Yeah. So take that resistance a little higher, hands out, and go, go. And sit down, please. Okay, hands in, elbows in, push your hip forward, drop the shoulders, sprint, go, only 10 seconds. Push and pull and push and pull, I know that you can do this. And I miss you. Woo! Enough for now, relax. Long break, or you might need it. If you're not out of breath, make sure that you get more resistance, especially in the sprint, because it should wear you out. This is the halfway mark. Well, now we're almost, oh, we're further than halfway. I really do hope so. But normally the interval training is your halfway mark, which means normally this should be your first, your real peak. Really, your heart, your lungs, your body should be like, nah, such a bad idea. That's exactly where you should be right now.
Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain.
More resistance.
And I miss you. Like the deserts miss
Feel the speed? Take the resistance. More. Stronger, stronger, stronger. Take your way higher. Hands up, stand up, go. Yeah, sit down. Just a little more. Just for you. And go. Woohoo! Sit down. Hey, take that resistance just a little higher, and here we go. Yes. And sit it down, please. Let's do it one more time, So a little bit more. Stand up, go. Yes, 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 like the deserts miss the rain. Sit down. All right, hands in, elbows in. Take your body forward, drop the shoulders, speed it up, go. You're gonna get some recovery after this, so don't worry about being out of breath. So get everything out of your legs, your heart, and your lungs, what you can right now. 10 more seconds, faster. Keep on going. 4, faster. 3, faster. Keep on going. And relax. Oh. Who does? Well, everybody does. We're gonna have one sprint to get those legs going again. But the sprint is pretty much like a recovery sprint. So keep it nice and relaxed, just to flush those legs, to get some new energy in, some fresh blood in, and drop the shoulders. So a little resistance up, drop the shoulders, hands are wide. Sprint, now, go. Make love until the morning comes. Woo. As I told you, nice and relaxed, but if you want to go faster, no problem at all.
Make love and listen to the music. You got to let yourself go. Make love and listen to the music. Woo. You got to let yourself go.
Okay, a little bit more, faster. that resistance up. Take that resistance up. Take that resistance up. More resistance. Drag it to the right. Feel your legs working. More resistance. We're gonna start with the very first climb in the second round, which means more resistance than you've done just before. So higher, stronger, enough to pull you off your seat now. So take it just a little further than you think you might. Steve Fingers, good for you. Hands are out and go. Yes. Woo. So get back in the rhythm and prepare your heart, your lungs, and mostly your legs for the last round. Or last round? Yeah, only 3 tracks after this. You're so close till the end already. Okay, so now we got this. Sit down, take your resistance back a little. Let's take it just a little step further. And I say a little step further, I mean a big step further. More resistance and a longer climb.
Gonna set the roof on fire, gonna burn this motherfucker down, 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 down. Hands up, when the music drops, we both put our hands up. Put your hands on my body, swear I see
more resistance, take it way higher, hands out, stand up, go.
The DJ guy's falling in love again. Yeah, baby, tonight.
I'm pretty sure this is too easy still, so take that resistance higher than it is right now.
So dance, dance like it's the last night of your life. Life gon' get you right. 'Cause baby, tonight.
Alright, 20 more seconds to go before we're gonna hit a really short sprint. So more resistance, take it down. Yes. Keep on pushing, keep on going.
Try hard not to hear, but they talk so loud. Their piercing sounds fill my ears, try to fill me with doubt. And I know that
you know what? Let's keep on standing until we hit the sprint. But the sprint, as I told you before, it's super short.
nothing's great.
So take your body forward, speed it up. Speed it up. It's only 10 seconds, so as fast as you can. So faster, and then we're gonna go down. Take the resistance down, rub the glutes, and spin. Go! I don't care what you say.
I'm in love. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart's people by the pain, and I keep on going.
As I told you, super short, hands back, and relax. But listen, we're gonna go straight into a climb, because after this climb, we are gonna go for the jumps. So no point in jump, we are like sprinting right now. So take the resistance high enough to stand up again. More resistance, stand up. Now, I know, all fast and also smushed together just because it's half an hour. What am I supposed to do? You know what? More resistance. Ow! Jumping. We're gonna have 8 jumps in the first round, then 8 jumps in the second round, plus a sprint in the second round. That's the first one, but in the second we do. All right, sit yourself down. So what you wanna have is definitely more resistance in the jumps than you would normally have in the sprints. So a little bit more resistance, lift the shoulders, hands are out, hit it, go, up, down. So up, nice and fast, nice and strong. Go! Woo! I know you can do it. You know you can do it. So show me. Keep going. 4. 3 more of these. 2 more. This is gonna be the final one Okay, for now it's enough. Stop. Round number 2, same thing. 8 jumps and a sprint. Just a little faster. All right. Speed it up a little. Keep it up. You might need it, you might not need it. I don't know. Good. Same thing. Jumps and a sprint. So 8 jumps and then a sprint. Yep. So same as before, but now we're gonna add the sprint at the end, which is gonna be tiring, but you deserve this. For a better you. More resistance. Hands are out. And here we go. So up and down. If you just want to sprint, that's fine too, but you know this. Or you figured it out, I think. So, if you want to do more, either increase your resistance or increase your speed, or both. Oh yes. Oh shit. Keep on going. 2 more of these. Last one. Okay, after this last one. Hands are in, elbows are in. Sprint till the end. Go. Yes. We're gonna have an interesting last track with 2 standing sprints. You heard me correctly. 2 standing sprints. You'll find out in a second. But first, 10 more seconds to go. Raw. Only 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Who wants to feel the love again? I'm pretty sure you want to feel the love again. That's why you are here. More resistance. Yes, let's do this. So way more resistance than you got right now. So take it higher, deeper, further. Take that resistance high. Hands are out. Stand up. Go. Don't forget, this is your very last check. Only 2 climbs, which this one is the first hop. What? I know, 2 climbs. So that means more resistance. Go. This is supposed to be a mountain climb already. But don't worry, I'm gonna wear you out in that next round. Hey, just a little more. Keep on pushing. Nearly there, only 4 to go. 3, 2, enough for now. Sit down and relax. One more round to go. You're nearly there. You are nearly there. Take everything you've got, take all the oxygen in the room, push it into your legs. Take the resistance higher, take the resistance higher. Take the resistance higher, take it higher, take it higher. Hands are out, stand up, go. Hey, your body goes forward and speed those legs up. Speed up, speed up, speed it up. Faster and stronger. Keep on going. Forward to go, faster. 3, listen carefully. Way more resistance. And in the beat, go. Woo. This is your very, 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 very last time. So take the resistance even higher. 30 seconds on the clock. Then you're at the finish line. You can see it. You can smell it. Keep on going. All right. 1 step more, if you dare. Okay, listen carefully. We're gonna end with the sprint. 10 seconds, as fast as you possibly can. So take your body forward and speed it up. Now, faster, stronger and deeper. More, 4, faster. 3, Stop. Woo. If you're not out of breath, oh, because of yourself. So, yes. Because again, I know you're in a hurry because that's why you do a half an hour class instead of the full hour class, which is totally fine, which also means that the cooling down is going to be super short. So, if you want to, get off your bike, shake your legs up, shake your arms out. First, grab your right foot, knees together, push it forward. Pull the front of your legs, stretching your quads. Hey, good luck. And do the other side as well. And that's it. If you need more stretches, you do yourself. Okay, shake it out. For all your power, your strength, your love, and all of you being here today, I want to thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this shorter version of the Let's Move Spinning classes. Hope to see you next time again with the Let's Move Spinning Rapido 4, or even better, Let's Move Spinning 17, which is going to be online in about 3 weeks. Hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.